Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about the parts of speech. If you are interested with this kind of video lesson, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Just click the subscribe button below. Let's begin. Parts of speech. In traditional English grammar, all words in the English language belong to a word class called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. We have the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Noun. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, thing, or an idea. Examples are Lorraine, a name of a person, elephant, a name of an animal, island, it is a place, ball, it is a thing, and love. Love is a noun. It is an idea. Let's take a look on our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have 2 nouns in this sentence. Can you see them? Our nouns in this sentence are Leonaline and students. Leonaline and students are nouns. Leonaline is a name of a person. The noun students refers to 2 or more persons. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces the name of a person, animal, place, thing, or an idea. Examples are we, they, he, she, it. Let's go back to our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. Again, Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have 1 pronoun here. Can you see it? Yes, our pronoun in this sentence is her. Her refers to Leonaline. We cannot use the name Leonaline twice in this sentence. It sounds repetitive. We cannot say that Leonaline talks nicely to Leonaline polite and attentive students. No, that's wrong. So the pronoun her replaces the name of Leonaline. Adjective. Adjective is a word that describes, modifies, or gives information about a noun or a pronoun. Examples are beautiful, big, pink, kind, happy. Let's take a look on our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. In this sentence, we have 2 adjectives. Can you see them? Yes, we have the adjectives polite and attentive. The adjectives polite and attentive describes the noun students. What kind of students are they? They are polite and attentive. Verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word that expresses an action or state of being. Examples are run, dance, fly, talk, teach. Look at in our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have 1 verb in this sentence. Can you see it? Yes, our verb in this sentence is the word talks. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. The verb talks is an action verb. Okay? Adverb. Adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells when, where, how, or how often. Examples are sometimes, slowly, always, here, now. Let's go back to our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have one adverb in this sentence. Can you see it? Yes, the adverb in this sentence is the word nicely. The adverb nicely modifies or describes the verb talks. How Leonaline talks. Leonaline talks nicely. In what manner Leonaline talks? Leonaline talks nicely. It modifies or it describes the verb talks. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Examples are and, or, but, while, because. Again, let's take a look on our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have one conjunction here. Can you see it? Yes, our conjunction in this sentence is the word and. Again, our conjunction in this sentence is the word and. The conjunction and joins or connects words and phrases in this sentence. Preposition. A preposition is a word that shows relationship between a noun or pronoun to other words in a sentence. Examples are in, on, to, at, by. Let's look on our example sentence. Leonaline talks nicely to her polite and attentive students. We have one preposition in this sentence. Can you see it? Yes, our preposition in this sentence is to. The preposition to shows relationship between a noun or a pronoun to other words in this sentence. Interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses strong feeling or emotion. Examples are wow, ouch, hey, hi, oops. Let's take a look on the following examples. Ouch, it really hurts. Oops, I almost hit your face. Usually, an interjection followed by an exclamation mark. This is the end of our video lesson. Please take note that what we discussed here is just an overview of the 8 parts of speech. We will discuss this topic thoroughly in our next video lessons. If you learned something from this video lesson, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more English video lessons. Thank you.